Good morning, everyone. Today is February 16. It's Family Day here in Canada. On today's video, I will share with you the Terminal 3 check-in area and also the parking area. Okay, so let's go. So this is the window, and this is the area where the parking area is located. So this is the area where you park your car if you're going to go to the arrival area and pick up your family and relatives. Okay, let's go to the check-in area. Remember, this is the arrival area of Terminal 3, Pearson International Airport. This is where you pay your parking spot. How much? Wow, daily maximum $42. That's expensive. On my right side, there's a hotel there, and also the train track.
I don't want to be recorded, sir.
Good, thank you. Down below is the, I think it's the departure area. Oh, no, not departure, arrival. Sorry, arrival area is downstairs. As the train going to Toronto and will stop by the hotel. And here is the arrival. Oh, the departure. I'm making mistake. Where is the? So this is the departure area. So let's go inside the check-in. We can go inside, even though you're not going away. Look. This is where you check in. So going to Alaska. Whoop. Different gates. Now let's roll around.
This way, guys.
If you're hungry, you can go to Wendy's. There's a restaurant before you go inside. So this is the machine for checking up, for checking in. So it's easier for everyone. I guess you don't need to line up. So those is the lineup going now to the gates. Or maybe not. They're checking in for WestJet. Kind of busy today, even though it's Family Day. This will be the oversized baggage drop-off. And those are the people who just came from the plane.
Okay, guys, take care. Good luck.
That's the schedule. Arrival and departure, or maybe departure only. Terminal 3 is a huge, oh, that's the gate. It's going inside now. Those are the gate. If it's busy, this area will be full. Right now, it's not that busy. So we are in Terminal 3 checking area of Pearson International Airport. With different airline checking. This is the wheelchair for the senior. Where they're going? There. They're going to maybe short distance. Flare is just a short distance plane. Let's check out those people who's departing. Those are the people departing. There you go. Another oversized, so it's going to be on busy. There's a Starbucks here. You can get your coffee again. Lots of plane leaving today. Otherwise, this area is empty. But right now, oh boy, busy area. Busy. Another China airline. The other side is Cathay Pacific Airline. That area is the Cathay Pacific. Let's check out. So this is the Terminal 3 arrival area. In Pearson International Airport, Toronto, Ontario. You can buy your baggage too here. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe for more video. Thank you so much.